Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K unveiled a series of initiatives at Babadam in West Garo Hills alongside Speaker Thomas A. Sangma and PHE Minister Marcuise Marak. The highlight was the inauguration of the Garo Hills Agro Food Park, financed entirely by the state government at a whopping rupees 15.73 crores. Spearheaded by Father Sunny Mavelil, this park boasts cutting-edge facilities including a mustard processing unit, Cashew Processing Unit, high-tech food lab, ginger processing unit, solar power plant and 25 cold storage units. While addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma underscored the government's commitment to bolstering agriculture and horticulture, emphasizing support for crop cultivation, training and market access. He applauded Father Sunny's cooperative society for empowering rural enterprises and pledged further support to elevate farming communities. Sangma also highlighted the government's drive to double farmers' income, citing the establishment of numerous processing units and cold storages across the state. He stressed on the importance of collective efforts, urging the promotion of cooperatives and women's collectives to revitalize rural economy. With a substantial investment of rupees 357 crores earmarked for value chain development, the government aims to uplift 4.5 lakh farming households. Sangma expressed optimism that the success of the Agro Food Park would inspire similar ventures statewide, announcing plans for knowledge-sharing programs and tours. Additionally, Conrad Sangma inaugurated the Arakanut Processing Unit and laid the foundation for the P.A. Sangma Shopping Complex, underscoring the government's commitment to economic development in the region.
So we are here in Babadam area, where one of the cashew processing plants is here. And as you can see, this is what we have been trying to do by promoting processing and ensuring that the farmers' incomes goes up and employment is created and farmers get a better price for their products. I'm very happy to see that this is one of the processing plants. Like this, there are many processing plants in different parts of the states that are coming up, and we'll continue to add value and to put up more such processing plants so that our farmers can benefit.